Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to showcase, one that is a must-have for Tesla Model Y owners. If you're looking for the best floor mats for your 7-seater Model Y, then stay tuned because we're diving into the features of the TSLAUCAY floor mats. When it comes to keeping your Tesla's interior clean and stylish, having high-quality floor mats is essential. The TSLAUCAY floor mat set is designed specifically for the Tesla Model Y, and it offers an impressive combination of functionality and aesthetic appeal. This all-weather floor mat set includes 9 pieces, ensuring comprehensive coverage for all seating areas and cargo space. One of the standout features of these floor mats is their precise fit. Using original car data and high-precision 3D laser scanning technology, these mats are engineered to match the contours of your Model Y perfectly. This means no slipping or shifting while you drive, which helps keep your focus on the road. The mats cover the front, rear, and even the cargo area, including the third-row seat backs, providing all-around protection from dirt and debris. Installing these floor mats is a breeze. Simply remove your old mats, place the TSLAUCAY mats in position, and you're ready to go. They fit snugly in place, making it easy to switch them out whenever needed. Plus, since they are made from TPE, which stands for thermoplastic elastomer, you can be assured they are safe, odorless, and environmentally friendly. This material is a significant improvement over traditional rubber mats, offering a softer feel and more durability. Now, let's talk about weather protection. Whether you're dealing with rain, snow, or mud, these mats are designed to trap moisture and prevent it from seeping into your vehicle's carpets. Their 3D design creates a raised edge that contains spills and dirt, ensuring your Tesla's interior remains pristine. And cleaning these mats is incredibly easy. A simple wipe with a damp cloth or a quick rinse with a water hose restores them to like new condition. Unlike some mats that require special cleaners or extensive scrubbing, the TSLAUCAY mats can be maintained with minimal effort, making them perfect for busy lifestyles. Another key feature is their all-weather capability. Whether you're in the heat of summer or the depths of winter, these mats stand up to the elements. The TPE material is resistant to cracks and damage, ensuring long-term use without sacrificing performance. Not only are they practical, but they also enhance the look of your Tesla Model Y. With a sleek design that complements the vehicle's interior, these mats add a touch of elegance without being overly flashy. They seamlessly blend in with the modern aesthetics of the Tesla, ensuring that your car looks just as good on the inside as it does on the outside. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best floor mats for your Tesla Model Y 7-seater, look no further than the TSLAUCAY floor mat set. With their precise fit, all-weather protection, and ease of maintenance, they offer everything you need to keep your vehicle clean and stylish. Thank you for watching this episode of Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. See you next time.